She special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
Another video. So today we're gonna be cooking. I won't be talking much. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing, and I hope you enjoy. It's Sunday, and we're gonna have cube steak, mashed potatoes, and y'all ain't having like 5 potatoes. So I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Look at that. What we're gonna do with that? We're gonna make it work though. Then I'm gonna do some green beans and this honey cornbread. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Yeah, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no, I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no, I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's done.
That's it. That's all. Have a good Sunday.
'Cause it's too late.